Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to upload a profile picture on TripAdvisor. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to upload a profile picture on TripAdvisor. Maybe because since you have created your account on TripAdvisor, you haven't uploaded any profile picture and now you're thinking to upload a one. Or maybe you just want to change a profile picture of yours, or there could be any other reason for you to upload a new profile picture on TripAdvisor. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a TripAdvisor. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some options at the top of the screen and some of the options at the bottom. And in the middle of the screen, there are different places that you can go visit. And if you want to stay there, you can go for it. And restaurants are also available. So if you have uploaded any profile picture on this app, it will appear at the top of this page like this. Right now, we only have the profile icon, but if you have one, it will be there. Now if you want to upload a new profile picture, there you could see we have these options. You just have to simply click on this right one, and then you will get to this option account. First you will read a title of account, and there you will see all these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose in this app. So from all these options, you have to go to this option, which is profile. Once you tap onto that option, you will land into this page. Once you land into this page, first you will read the title of profile, and there you will see some information related to your account. So if you have uploaded your profile picture, it will appear here. Therefore, we have to click onto this pencil icon. Once you tap on it, you will get here through which you can edit your profile. There you could edit your personal information, which also includes your profile picture. So if you want to upload a new one, once you tap on it, you will see this option which says add new photo. So just simply click onto this option, which is add new photo. After that, you will be easily able to upload any picture of your choice from your mobile phone photo gallery. You could either upload your own profile picture, you can upload any kind of character, or maybe whatever you prefer, you can go for that option. It is not necessary that you should only post your own picture. Whatever comes to your mind, you can go for that option. Here I have selected this picture. Now if you want to upload like this one, just simply tap onto that option, and after that you have to click on done. And after that, you just have to simply make sure that this picture is under that circle. Just simply save it and it will be there. Now the picture has been uploaded, but it's still not saved. So if you go back, it will not be there. Therefore we have to click on save. It will just take a while. After that, the picture will be uploaded. Now what you have to do is that you just have to turn off this app and turn on this app again, and the picture will be there. So here I'm going to open the app once again, and once the app gets open, you will again see the same interface, but the only difference will be a profile picture, this one. So this is the same picture that we uploaded right now, and now it's here. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a profile picture on TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.